In this short tutorial, you will learn how to increase the contrast on your iPhone. Increasing color contrast can help you differentiate between app foreground and background colors, making it easier for you to read text and navigate through different apps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Tap on it. After that, tap Display and Text Size. Once you are on this page, you will see an option called Increase Contrast. Increase color contrast between app foreground and background colors. To increase contrast on your iPhone, simply toggle on the switch over here.